friends, today I'll show you how to adjust the steering play on a legendary car, the Mercedes W124. If your steering wheel has side-to-side play while driving, you can easily eliminate it by adjusting the steering gearbox. Here's how to do it. First, locate the steering gearbox and loosen the locking nut using a 19mm socket. Once it's loose, hold the nut in place with the same 19mm wrench. Then, insert an Allen key into the adjustment screw and turn it carefully. But be careful. Tightening the screw increases the play, while loosening it reduces it. Always proceed slowly and never turn more than half a rotation at a time. I hope this video helps you out.